Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur your background on Zoom. So my camera is being like blurry right now, so it's like just like blurry, but you can make it a lot more blurry. So just go to video here and select this like arrow. Then you are going to select blur my background. And that's pretty much it. If you're like in the frame, which I'm not going to do, it's just going to blur the background. It's not going to blur the whole thing like it's doing right now. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.